There was a closed sky, the earth in tears. The wind fell silent, time frozen in fear. Nails tore through more than flesh that day. They tore the veil of our dismay. Wounded eyes, love lay bare, the righteous one suffering in our place there. No one spoke, no one dared. Heaven wept, the world just stared. Under the weight of the cross, a restrained cry between love and the feeling of being denied. Silence on Calvary, heaven stood still when the beloved Son surrendered his will. In the silence, God spoke loudest of all. Love prevailed through the sacred cause. Silence on Calvary, unmatched pain, yet from the wound rose life again. When all seemed lost and dim, heaven declared its love for me within. A crown of thorns, a throne of pain, the rejected king in love remained. Every wound was shouting grace, every drop redemption's trace. The crowd could not behold the glory, but there was written the greatest story. Where death believed it had won the fight, life began its reign that night. The Father silent, the faithful Son, the eternal plan had now begun. Silence on Calvary, heaven stood still when the beloved Son surrendered his will. In the silence, God spoke loudest of all. Love prevailed through the sacred cause. With his final breath he cried, with a broken voice yet love inside. It is finished, salvation resounded. The price was paid, condemnation unfounded. It was not weakness, it was choice, not defeat, but redemption's voice. In the silence, grace cried out. On the cross, his love reached us above. Silence on Calvary, but now a sound. It is finished, bitterness is found. The empty cross declares to earth God's deep love of endless worth. When silence tries to quiet my pain, lift my